Eucalyptus saplings 52 days old, EC cross EU at Manoharabad nursery with biochar compost and with vermiculate. We can see the plant saplings here. They are grown very well. The leaves are also very wide and broad as compared to the saplings from the vermiculate. And on an average they are about 22 centimeters height, and the roots are also very thick here. And here in the vermiculate saplings, on an average they are around 13 centimeter, then around 14 centimeter, then around 17-18 centimeters only. So that's the difference between the saplings. So again the biochar compost is the winner.